please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Part of the modern Fusion pool family, the Trilogy Gemini is one of the most popular fiberglass models offered. Measuring 32 feet in length by 16 feet in width, it's 3 foot 9 inches in the shallow end and 5 foot 4 inches in the deep end. It also holds 9,000 gallons of water, which is very manageable, ensuring great value and lots of pool for the money spent. The modern Fusion pool works well for lap swimming and also has a large seating area built into the layout, which helps to maximize both the relaxation factor and how people socialize while using the pool. When it comes to the design aesthetic of a Trilogy Modern Fusion pool, the Gemini has lots of curve appeal. Boldly stylish entry stairs also double as a tanning ledge, while many modular components allow you lots of great freedoms to pursue your pool vision. Additional features like a spillover spa, bubblers, a full tanning ledge, and spillways all would work to create a soothing ambience for those hot days where you can say goodbye to stress. When the sun goes down, the party doesn't have to end, with optional accessories like mood lighting and heating. The possibilities are endless and your summer oasis awaits. The Gemini is a great choice for your backyard that you'll enjoy for many years to come. Thanks for watching.